In this video, I will show you how to sign in into Peacock with Xfinity. So the first thing that you would like to do is activate and basically link your account online. So we would like to activate Peacock Premium from basically an Xfinity or a now promotional offer. So to activate Peacock, first of all, you'll need to go to xfinity.com/your subscriptions. Basically, let me just go to that. Once you go to this, you will have basically to log in into your account with your primary Xfinity ID and password. And of course, if you don't see the Peacock subscription listed, you'll need to go to the xfinity.com/your subscriptions. So once you're here, as we said, you will have to log in into your account. Just go and log in with your ID and password. After that, you will reach the Xfinity Stream Store. Of course, you will not be able to access that if you're not logged in, so make sure that you're logged in. Once you access it, you can basically easily activate and manage your streaming subscriptions. You can click on activate next to Peacock Premium. You should find it right there. Once you activate this, of course, you'll have to enter the email address that you want basically to use for your Peacock account, then click on continue. Of course, any Peacock login issue should be redirected to the customer service of Peacock, and then you can create your Peacock password and provide other account details, then click on activate. And of course, if you already have a Peacock account, you'll be prompted to enter your existing Peacock email address and password, then you can click on sign in to and activate. And then you can now basically watch Peacock Premium content, and to begin, you can just go and click on Start Watching Peacock. So that's how simply you can sign in into your Peacock with Xfinity. So you'll basically you will need your Xfinity subscription. I hope you liked this video and I hope it was or this article was useful to you. Thank you for watching and goodbye.